How to install Python on Mac in less than 2 minutes. Please give this a like and subscribe if this helps you out. To install Python on Mac, open up your web browser and search Download Python. From here, go to python.org and click Download Python. Once it finishes, open the PKG file it just downloaded for you and run through all of the installer prompts. When the installation finishes, you'll know it worked because it's going to open up a folder. Python should now be installed. To test this, go ahead and open a terminal window and type python 3 -- version. If it shows you your newest Python version, you know you installed it correctly. To access Python 3, enter Python 3 into the console, and then you're able to start entering commands, as shown here. You can quit out of this by doing Command Z, or typing exit with 2 parentheses at the end. You can open the Python launcher if you would like to make changes to how scripts are adjusted. To write scripts, use the program called idle. When it opens up, you can go to the file bar and click New File, and this blank thing is going to be the basis of your script. I'm going to write a basic script here, a script that's going to print a message into the terminal. When you're done, save it wherever you would like. I chose the desktop, and it will be saved as a .py script file. To run your script, we're going to go back into the terminal. Start by finding the directory your script is in. I'm going to the desktop. And from here, enter Python 3 followed by the name of your script. And if it worked, your script is going to do exactly what it's supposed to do in the terminal, and you're ready to go. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much.